Okay. Aloha mai kākou, and welcome to ʻAʻA ʻŌLELO, our virtual Hawaiian language class. Okay, kala evalu o ʻAʻa 2020. Apostrophe. He aha kēia. Today we're going to be talking about not ʻOPAʻa 12. I think it's ʻOPAʻa 11. Is it? Yeah, ʻOPAʻa 11. So I'll switch that later. But yeah, we had a nice break. What is happening? Is this right? Yes, it's right. So when you want to go on vacation? Okay, so our lesson is going to be about na ʻOihana, or our occupations. Okay, aloha mai kākou na haumana. Welcome to our ʻAʻA ʻŌLELO virtual Hawaiian language class. If you can answer the 3 questions, ʻOwai koinoa, what is your name? Noho ʻoi I HEA, where do you live? And he aha kau ʻoihana moemoea, what is your dream job? Okay. So for me, aloha o Kahanuola ko ʻoinoa, noho au ma ke wala uka ma Oahu. And my dream job from when I was young was to be a chef. Obviously, that didn't happen, but you know, it's okay. We can still dream. Okay, and then we have 4 kākou tonight. I'm gonna ask Erika, can you share yours, please?
Aloha mai kākou, o Erika ko ʻoinoa, noho au ma moiliili ma moku o Oahu. My ʻoihana moemoea was to be a lawyer when I was little, because my dad was a lawyer and I thought he was the coolest.
Cool. And you like to argue with me, so there.
No, that's not true.
Oh, okay, bye. Okay, kapua.
Aloha, o kapua ko ʻoinoa, noho au ma ka ʻelepulu. I don't really remember one from when I was small, but I don't know, some kind of artist.
Yeah.
Design.
You're an artist now, so yeah, like you got it. Living the dream.
Yeah, just with real things.
Mahalo. Okay, Lena ala.
Aloha, o Lena ala ko ʻoinoa Hawaii, noho au I lihue ma Kauai. Make au e loaʻa I ke kanaka moloaʻa. No ka mea, ʻŌLELO, make e hana. I want to be a lazy person because I don't like to work.
Love it. That's the dream. That's the dream job. Okay, and last but not least, Carly.
Aloha mai kākou, o Carly ko ʻoinoa, noho au ma Seattle, and my dream job would, when I was little, I wanted to be a vet, but I would like to be a seabird biologist.
Very specific. Awesome. Okay, thank you. All right, so yeah, you guys are coming in. All your guys' dream jobs. We have florist, we have car designer, preschool teacher, singer on The Voice, traveler. Cool. Okay, mahalo. Keep that in mind for as we move on throughout our lesson tonight, okay? All right, so our loina, our values. Any new people? I think we do. Dina Aq, I think you may be new. Would you mind reading our values for us? Aloha.
All of them?
Yes.
Sure. Aloha, kekahi. Love one another. We are an ohana. Ho'ihi aku, ho'ihi mai. Be respectful on camera and in the chat. E kulia I kanu'u. Strive to be the very best you can be. Oops, I can't see that. ʻAʻa I ʻŌLELO, mai hila. Dare to speak, don't be shy in class.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Erika, stop calling out your husband in the chat, Erika. Stop adding him, literally. Okay, ehomai. Do we have anyone that would like to lead us in ehomai? Can I bug on Carrie to try?
Okay. E ho mai pa. E ho mai ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo. O nā mele. E ho mai. E ho mai. E ho mai a. E ho mai ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo. O nā mele. E ho mai. E ho mai. E ho mai e. A e ho mai ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo. O nā mele. E ho mai. E ho mai. E ho mai e.
E hea I ke kanaka e komo maloko, e hana ia ia he bai kawaha, e ia no kaupula o ka leo, a he leo wale no e. Locaria, mahalo family. What is your son's names?
Makoa, my hiapo,
Yeah.
and ʻOʻELO, my muli. Keiki.
Okay. Mahalo, you guys. Thank you. Okay, good. All right, so moving right into our review. Oh, we got a video. Okay, let's watch the video first.
Aloha mai kākou o Karli Ko'inoa. Aia ka honu maloko o ke kai. The turtle is in the ocean. Aia ka papa'i maloko ka pupu. The crab is in the shell. Aia ka pelehu maloko ko'u opu. The turkey is in my tummy. Aia ka mo'onui na nuholani. The alligator or crocodile is in Australia. I don't exactly know if that's where they actually live, but that's where it's living now. Aia ka enuhe maloko ka puke kamali'i o polole loa ka enuhe. The caterpillar is in the kids' book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar.
Good job, Carly. Okay, so the week before was about Naholoholona, which is animals. So we learned that theme, and then we also learned a new structure, the Pepeke Henua locational sentence structure. Okay, so let's practice this question. If you can all repeat after me. E ho pili mai. Aia oi ihea. Okay, Aya oi ihea, and that means where are you? Aya oi ihea, where are you? Okay, to answer, we can all use the same one. Aya ao ma, and then put your place. So if you guys can do that for me in the chat, please. Aya ao ma for me would be Aya ao ma Oahu. Aya ao ma ke Walauka. Aya ao ma Honolulu. But yeah, you can choose whatever. You can. Good, Jason. Good. Okay. Okay. So let's all answer the question together. After I ask it, you guys can just turn on your mic and answer. Makoko. Aya oi ihea.
Aya
au
Hale malihu e.
Awesome. Okay, and I'm seeing, New Mexico, Kona, San Francisco, Seattle, Palama, Japan, Mexico, Kitchen, Maui, California, and France. Stephanie. Hi, Stephanie from France. Stephanie, what time is it in France?
It's 6:45 a.m.
Oh my goodness. That's dedication. Thank you so much. Okay. And let's try this one. If you have a dog, this might be my ka'i, but again, we learned how to say where we are and also where a certain pet is. So our question being, ʻAʻA I HEA KA'ILIO, where is the dog? And if you have your ilio with you right now, ʻAʻA KA'ILIO ma place. The dog is at a certain place. But if you don't have one, you can just make up the sentence. It doesn't have to be about your dog, yeah? Yeah, so if you guys can answer that question, ʻAʻA I HEA KA'ILIO, just try and practice. Oh yes, Pumohala, 12:30 a.m. in Florida. Dedication as well. Thank you. Okay, so where is the dog? And yeah, you guys learned some other ways of answering rather than just the place. You guys learned Maloko, Mavaho. You guys learned different locations like beach. So yeah, good. And again, this is just practice kind teams, yeah. Okay, let's call on Karen. ʻAʻA I HEA KA'ILIO.
ʻAʻA ka'ilio maloko kona hale ilio.
Okay, can you ask Tobias?
Aloha Tobias, ʻAʻA I HEA ka'ilio.
Tobias, I think your mic might not be on.
ʻAʻA ka'ilio ma lumikuku. The dog is in the kitchen.
Yeah, and if you can ask Salinas.
Salinas, ʻAʻA I HEA ka'ilio.
Aloha, sorry, I was muted. ʻAʻA KA'ILIO. I want to say this. I don't know if it's right. ʻAʻA KA'ILIO ka yard, and I don't know how to say yard. So.
Hale. So you have a ma. You have ma there too. So don't forget the ma. ʻAʻA I HEA. So pahale. You want to try again?
Pahale or mahale?
Pa. P. Yeah.
Pa. ʻAʻA KA'ILIO pahale.
Makapahale. Makapahale.
Makapahale. ʻAʻA KA'ILIO makapahale.
Okay, good. And if you can ask everyone, and if everyone can answer after.
Hello, everyone. ʻAʻA I HEA KA'ILIO.
Good job. Okay, and don't, yeah, these practice questions, there's no right or wrong answer. So yeah, everyone gets an A+. All right, moving on.
Oh my God.
Okay. All right, so let's review what we learned last week about ʻAʻA I HEA na ʻIlio, where are the animals. Let's do some of these sample sentences in the chat. So I'll give you guys a minute if you guys can translate these on your own. Hopefully you remember some of these animal names. If not, you can look them up or just put in the Hawaiian where the English would be, and that's, yeah, totally fine. So yeah, put your answers on private, please. Thank you. ʻAʻA I HEA kapua'a. Oh, ʻAʻA kapua'a mahilo. ʻAʻA ke kilape ma ka Honolulu Zoo. ʻAʻA ka mo'o ma luna o ka paia. ʻAʻA nā pulele hua ma ka hale o ma'o. ʻAʻA ke kohola ma ke kai ma Aotearoa. Try your best to answer whatever you can. If you don't know something, skip them. No worries. Yeah, this sentence is not hard at all because you have the ʻAʻA to show it's a location. Your place is at the end, so you know that's the place. And then if you know who the subject is or what you're locating, then you should be fine. Good, everyone. Oh, number 10. Not moa, mo'o. Yeah. Okay. I'll give you guys 20 more seconds. Just try your best, whatever you can. Good job, Carly. Good. Okay. 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 We're just gonna go through them. If you're still answering, no worries. Just keep sending them in. But let's start with number 1, and I'm gonna call on Jason.
Aia ka pua'a mahilo is the pig is in hilo.
Good job. Okay. Okay, Jason. Let's jump to Linnell.
Aya ke kilape maka Honolulu Zoo. The giraffe is at the Honolulu Zoo.
Good job. Okay. Let's jump to Ethan.
Aia ka mo'o ma luna o ka paia. And I don't know what paia is, but it's saying that the mo'o, the gecko is above the paia.
Not the roof, not the floor.
Ceiling, the ceiling. Wall.
Not the roof. Yeah, wall. There you go.
Wall, okay.
So the gecko is on top of the wall.
On top of the wall.
Yeah, thank you. Let's go to Jamie Laird.
There we go. Aya na pule lehua ma kahale oma oma'o. The butterflies are in the greenhouse.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, and then the last one, let's do Pamela.
Aya ke hola ma ke kai ma Aotearoa. The humpback whale is in the sea of Aotearoa.
Good. The sea, maybe not of, yeah, I guess that works. Of or at Aotearoa. Okay, good job. Okay, so those are easy. Let's jump to a little harder ones. So this time, we're still doing the same kind of thing. We're locating someone, but this time we're locating a specific person, and that's gonna be me. So remember, when you have the person as a subject, you're gonna put okina o before their name. So the question now is going to be, can you read this question for us, Dale?
Aia I HEA o Kumu Kahanuola.
Yeah, good.
Where is Kumu Kahanuola?
Yeah, perfect. So again, Aia I HEA is always going to start the question, and then whatever you put after, if you put o Kumu Kahanuola, that's how you would do it. So if you want to say Aia I HEA o Minnie Mouse, easy as pie. Okay, just like that. All right, so try your best. I'll give you another minute answering these 5. Aia o Kumu Kahanuola ma Disneyland. Again, all the pieces are there, and we're literally easy to translate. So that one's fine. Aia o Kumu Kahanuola ma ke kahakai o Waikiki. Again, easy. Aia o Kumu Kahanuola ma luna o Mauna Kea. I wonder where that is. Okay, number 4. Aia o student cousin Kapi ma ka hale inu pia. That might be hard, but if you know my mother, then you know where she'll be. And then student cousin Kapi is inside of the red car. Okay, so let's give you guys a minute. Try your best to translate. Good job, Tobias. Good job, Tan. I hope I'm saying it right. Good job, Pomohala. Yep. Cool. Good job, Car. Good job, Karen. Okay, let's go to Tan, hopefully. Can you read us the first one in Hawaiian and English? Okay, maybe she never hear. Tan. Okay, no worries. Let's go to, I guess it's not working. Let's go to Karen. What is number 1?
Aia o Kumu Kahanuola ma Disneyland. Kumu Kahanuola is a Disneyland.
That was hard. Okay, number 2, let's go to Puamohala.
Kumu Kuanohala is under a tree at the beach.
For number...
Oh, no, I'm sorry. I read the wrong one. Oh, that's right. Kumu Kuanohala. Oh, geez. Hang on. In Waikiki.
The
I forgot what.
Yeah, you get... Kākai means beach, so yeah.
Oh, okay. Beach at Waikiki. I'm sorry. Waikiki.
Covered. Thank you. Let's go to Lehua Ka'opio or Ka'opio. Another tricky one.
Kahelu e kolu aya o Kumu Kahanuola ma luna o Mauna Kea. So Kumu Kahanuola is on top of Mauna Kea.
Okay, number 4. Let's go to Barbara DeBarish. Want to try? Maybe kind of hard, but...
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Aya o student cousin Cappy makahale inu pia. So cousin Cappy is at the beer house, is a literal translation. So I'm guessing bar or brew pub.
Good job. Yeah, bar. Student cousin Cappy is at the bar. Second home. Actually, that's her first home. Okay, number 5. Let's go to Catherine Upton. You think you get them?
I don't know if I have a student cousin Cappy is inside of the red car. So aya o student cousin Cappy, maloko o ke ka'a ula ula.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. Good job. Okay, so yeah, easy, hopefully easy enough. I think that was a good review. So let's move on to today's lesson. Okay, so if you can repeat after me, everyone. Na ʻOihana. Na ʻOihana. Okay, so na ʻOihana means your occupation or your job. Okay, so all right, so if we look at the bottom, we have 2 ʻōlelo no ʻeo. Can you read the first one for us, Chanel?
With the S?
Yeah, with the S.
Okay, just checking. Okay. U'uku ka hana, u'uku ka loa'a. Little work, little gain.
Okay,
My maka'u, oh.
Oh, yeah, you go. Yeah.
Okay. My maka'u I ka hana, maka'u I ka moloa'a. Don't be afraid of work, be afraid of laziness.
Okay, so 2 very ʻōlelo no ʻeo that relates to occupations. Little work, little gain. Don't be afraid of work, be afraid of laziness. So what do these 2 ʻōlelo no ʻeo mean to you, and how does it relate to your life? You can type that in the chat. I'll give you some time. So for me, I'll go off of this first one. Obviously, the more effort you put into your job or everything that you do, the better the results, the better the outcome. And, you know, through this, I would consider this a second job, like my whole PDMI, this class and on Instagram, but yeah, I want to be prideful of my work, so I try and put out the best work that I can. But yeah, little work, little gain. So in the opposite, there's also nui kahana, nui kaloa'a, big work, big gain. So if you put in a lot, then you'll get a lot. Okay, and I think I get a lot from just the satisfaction of knowing that you guys are all learning. Okay, Lori Lyon, do you mind reading your answer for us?
Work hard and you will be rewarded. Don't become complacent. Always work hard.
Exactly. And Dorcas, can you read yours?
No work, no gain. Do the best you can do for the best rewards.
Awesome. Yeah, exactly. Everything you guys are said typing is good. So, Lena Allah, I guess you cannot be a lazy person for your occupation. Sorry.
Okay, she's gonna marry rich.
Yeah, she's gonna marry rich. That's her new occupation. Okay, good. All right, so as we get into our occupation lesson, let's go over some occupations. And these are like normal ones, but we can go over the ones that, you know, your dream job. If they're not in the slides, you guys can, you can figure that out later on. So let's do this. If you guys can put it on private, I'll highlight and you guys can type in the correct, your guess at least, into the chat. Okay, so let's start off with an easy one that everyone should know. Here, this one. What is that showing? A carrot girl. Good. Yeah, everyone got them. Good so far. Good guess. Yeah, you guys. Even if you think it's wrong, just take a guess. Well, bad guess. Okay, if we can all turn on our mics and answer, what do we think it is? Ready and go.
Mahi'ai.
Mahi'ai is correct. So mahi'ai, a farmer or a food farmer. Yeah. Okay, good. Let's go to this one. This one should be easy. What is that? Yeah, exactly. Good. Not cuckoo. So now with the S, not cuckoo. No, I'm just kidding. Is your auntie here?
No, I don't think she's here today.
So now with the C here. Yeah, let's turn on our mics. Ready and go. Okay, kamea kuke, and mea means thing, and kuke means cook. So the thing that cooks. But for other occupations, a lot of them go kamea something, kamea verb like kamea kaki or you know, that kind of stuff. Right? Let's do right here. Look at the words because it's gonna kind of sound like how it is, what it is in English. Paul Mahala, good question. It's not everyone. It's not every occupation. So mea is only used for certain ones, but yeah, I guess when you look through the dictionary, you can find which ones use mea and which ones don't. Yeah, all good guesses. Good. It's a pilot. If you didn't know, sorry. Okay, let's see. Even if it's right or wrong, say what you got. Ready and go. Pailaka. So kind of similar to pilot. Pailaka, pailata, whatever. I'm guessing that's how they transliterated it. Okay, let's do a speed round. Just turn on your mics and say this one.
Polopeka.
Yeah. Okay, again, a transliterated one to professor. Polopeka, a little bit different from Kumu, of course. So polopeka. This one, you can see it has a very important word in it that you might know.
Kanaka
kina ahi.
Good. Okay. I'm gonna call in someone in particular. Just give me your best guess. Alberta, what do you think this is? Berta. Sorry, I don't think it makes sense.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Que Luna Loy?
Good job. Okay.
Is it really? Wow, cool.
Good. Loi loi literally means to judge, and Luna is like someone that sits above everyone. So Luna, loi loi. Okay. We have two more. Let's ask Alihilani, what do you think this one is?
Ke kanaka akia kamai.
Good job. So, scientist. Kanaka, person. Akiakamai, science. Person that does science. Which means the astronaut is Kelalani. Yeah, there we go. If you guys want to screenshot this, you guys can before we move on. 5, 4, 3, 2, level up, level up. Okay, jumping to our next part. So this is we're gonna go through a couple different things about, you know, I want to become something, or I became something, or I will become something. So we're using many different kind of structures throughout this whole lesson. But here's the first one, make makeo ʻELELO, and I'm gonna call on the Anela Lani. Can you read this little paragraph here, or this little sentence here?
The English?
Yeah.
Now let's pull all of the parts of this sentence together. Make makeo ʻELELO I. I want to become.
Perfect. So again, make, if we learned it, meant to, want, or like. And lilo means to become. Okay, so when we put it into our sentence structure like this, you have make as your po'o, your beginning part, au as your piko, your subject, e shows that there's another verb, e, and then lilo I shows to become. I want to become. Yeah. So let's jump here to this next one. So our question, he aha kāu hana ana, or he aha kāu ʻELELO? He aha kāu ʻELELO, what will you become? And here is our answer. So when we say make makeo ʻELELO I, after that, you're just gonna put the occupation. Okay, so I'll come back to here if you guys need to look what that is. Okay, you guys got it? And then let's all type in our answer in the chat to what it is. The whole answer, not just the emoji. Type in your whole answer. You guys need to go back here first. Good, Carrie. So if you need to look right now. Okay, good. Yeah. All right, let's all read our answer together since we pretty much have the same thing. Ready and go. Good. So make makeo ʻELELO I kanaka kinayahi. I want to become a, using this emoji, a firefighter or a fire person. No, fire extinguisher. No, firefighter. That's it. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now we're gonna come to here and let's try and fill out these answers. So again, he aha kāu ʻELELO I means what will you become? So keep that in mind. But yeah, let's translate them on our own. Maybe just choose two, maybe one of the English and one of the Hawaiian, and yeah, see what you guys can come up with. So again, he aha kāu ʻELELO I, we all know that. Make makeo ʻELELO I kanaka kinayahi, we just had that one, so that should be easy. Make makeo ʻELELO I luna loiloi. I want to become a professor, and I want to become a chef. Okay, so try your best. If you can do all, you can do all. If not, just choose one Hawaiian and one English. Good time. Mic is on. Jason, your mic's on. You know what? You actually could. You can. You don't need the ka or ke before the occupation, but you could leave it in if you want. So either or, it doesn't matter. Good, everyone, so far. Maybe 25 more seconds. Okay, let's call on Lehua. What is, just read one of yours and your translation. Kimura. Lehua. Kimura, sorry. I know, there's always two Lehuas in this class.
Makimake au ʻELELO I ke kuke. I kanaka kuke.
Yeah, Imea Kuke, Kanaka Kuke works too. So I want to become a chef. Okay, mahalo. Let's go to...
Hello.
Yeah, Lehua, you're good. Dina, you want to try one? A cue?
Makemake au ʻELELO I luna loeloi. I want to become a judge.
Good job. Okay, let's do one more from Fraser and yeah.
Aloha. Makimake au ʻELELO I kanaka kinai ahi. I want to become a firefighter.
Good job. And our last one, Makemake au ʻELELO I polopeka. I want to become a professor. Yeah, good. All right, we have another set of occupations, and I want you guys to try and give me the first four. So in the chat, put 1, 2, 3, 4, and then take your guess at the first four. Okay. So if you need help, this is a spy. I don't even know why I put, or a detective actually. Okay, then we have a businessman, a policewoman, a police officer, and an artist. Okay, so take your best guess, the first four, just 1 through 4. Okay, and while you guys are on that, you guys can also think about the next four, which is a singer, a repairman, or mechanic actually. What is she? What is she?
Is she a secretary?
Yeah, she's a secretary. Mahalo. And then also, what is he? Oh, doctor. Hello. Good, Tan. Makai. Good, Catherine. Yeah, Catherine, you got it. Dorcas, good. Tobias. Yeah. Take a guess at your number one. What is your number one, you think? Alrighty, so Carrie, can you give us this first one?
Read the first one. The first one is... Can you say it?
Good job. Makaiku is your detective or spy. Q literally means to spy or to, you know, search. And Makai is a police. So yeah, oh shit, I gave it away. Okay, there you go. That's police. Okay. Okay, number 2. Who never went yet? Deborah, Gavar, can you try? Number 2. See, Deborah, you want to try to give us number 2, your guess? Yeah.
He looks like a business person. Ke kanaka po ʻoihana.
Good. Pa ʻoihana. Ke kanaka pa ʻoihana is business.
Pa ʻoihana.
Yes. Very good. Yes. Okay. And let's jump to Dorcas. What do you think this one is?
Ka mea kahaki'i.
Yeah. So kahaki'i means to draw. Mea, another one. Thing. So the thing that draws. Okay. Let's do the mic with these last four. Over here. Take a guess. Ready and go. With your mic. Yeah, I heard pu'ukani. I think that was from Tobias. Good job. Pu'ukani. Okay, this one actually sounds like what it is in English, which is the mechanic. So what is your guess? Ready and go.
Kamekanika.
Yeah, kamekanika, kamechanic. Okay, our secretary, which one of the two? Ready and go.
Kākou.
Yeah, she's an author. Yeah, so secretary or author, either or, they both work. Yeah, they both work for that. And then lastly is our kauka, our doctor. Yeah, good job. You can screenshot them if you need, but we'll probably be using these in the next example, so we'll come back to it if you guys need it. Arthur. All right, so again, we're using that same word ʻLELO, which means to become, but we're going to be using a different sentence. So now our sentence is going to be a ʻLELO wana au I. So if we put them all together, it's going to be I will become. Before we learned I want to become, this next one is going to be I will become. So remember, e ʻLELO wana, e ana shows the future tense, ʻLELO become, au, I shows what, and then your ʻoihana or your job. Okay? So let's come over here. And our question now, he aha kāu hana ana, what will you do for work? I know it's kind of a lot. You have a lot of different questions and a lot of different answers. But let's just focus on the answer. You don't have to really pay attention to the question, okay? So let's all look at this emoji. Look, okay, now match it up to what it is over here. Make sure you get the right title of what he is. And let's fill in the answer. So he aha kāu hana ana. What will you do for work? You guys can fill out the whole answer in the chat for me. Okay, good. No, Ethan, there's not, I don't think it matters about the gender. Good question. Okay, good. I think everyone got the same answer pretty much. Let's all answer it together. Ready and go. Yeah. E lilo wana au I mea kahaki'i. I will become a artist. Okay, good job. Let's turn off your mics. Okay, let's try these samples. I kind of want to do, maybe not. I kind of want to just give it to you and see what you guys can come up with. So let's call on Jamie. What do you think? Can you read this first one and then just take a guess? Hopefully you remember what pu'ukani is. If you don't, here you go.
Okay. E lilo ana au I pu'ukani. I will become a singer.
Good job. Okay, number 2, ke kai malu. Oh.
Which one? Which one?
All right, number 3.
Oh, the one that you What is mecha? I don't know what that one is.
Mechanic.
Oh. Where is it? Okay. Is it I?
I
will become a mechanic.
No, we won't. Okay, next, let's go from English to Hawaiian. Let's call on Kehaulani Bro. You want to try this one over here? If you need help, this is police officer. Okay.
Okay. So translating to Hawaiian, then it's ʻELELO ana au I ka
Yeah, good. ʻELELO ana au I ka makaʻi. I will become a police officer. And let's go to Tam for the last one.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh. Thinking, who are you talking to? What was detective or something?
There you go.
Kamaki-kyo. Kamaka-ikyo. ʻELELO ana au I kamaka-ikyo.
Good.
Is that how to say Q? EQ?
Yeah. Maka-IQ. Maka-IQ.
Maka-IQ.
So what I want you guys to do now is create your own sentence using the ʻELELO ana au I something. And this could, hopefully it can be your dream job. What you want to have is your ʻOihana moemoeā. But if you don't know it, you can just choose another occupation that we learned so far tonight. Okay, so create your own sentence in the chat for me, please. Kapua, it can be either or. You can use it, or you can, or you don't need to. Yeah. The note is actually wrong, so yeah. Good. Yeah. Good. Yeah. And if you want to put it in English, Catherine has ʻELELO ana au I conservation worker. That's fine too. I wouldn't even be able to translate that because I don't know what conservation is in Hawaiian. So yeah. Computer technician. Good. Leo trainer. Love. I would say alaka'i Leo. That might work. Yeah. Princess at Disneyland. Sick. You want to be rich? Tammy, that's not an occupation. Engineer. Kui puone. Good. Okay, let's all answer that question together. Mic's on. E AHA KΑU HANA. Ready, go.
ʻELELO ana au
ʻELELO ana au I
Okay.
I didn't hear anything. Okay. Okay. Can we do this one? We have time. Oh yes, this is actually important. So this one is, we have our dream job, but this is the one what you actually became, what your actual 9 to 5 is. Okay, so thinking of your job that you have currently, can everyone type in their occupation in the chat for me? You can do it in English, so I can just see, and if you need help translating it, then we can do that together. But as you guys do that, this is going to be what you actually became. ʻUalilo au he, or ʻUalilo au I, but let's just do he for now as just an example. I became a blank. I became a something. I became a teacher. I became a that. So ʻUalilo au he ʻOihana. Okay, my kai. So our next part, ʻUalilo au he. What did this guy become? What did this guy become? You guys can type in your answer for that. ʻŌLELO au he blank, he occupation. So he aha kāu ʻELELO ai. What did you become? Good. Easy. Yeah, easy. You guys get them. Realtor. I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know what that is in translate. We can find out though. Leila Allah, can you look up realtor? Realtor. Social scientist. Y'all are testing me tonight. I have no idea.
I checked in the book and it doesn't say anything for the actual occupation of realtor, just like real estate in general.
Oh, what is that?
It says vai pa'a.
So we can, in that case, we can do mea vai pa'a. That might work.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Social scientist, I would say Kauka, Lolo, maybe, or Kauka, Helena, a relationship doctor. Would that work, Lori? Social scientist, is that yours? Yeah, Kauka Holo, that's good. Okay. All right, so with this example in particular, let's jump to someone that never went yet. Let's jump to, oh, everyone went so far. Let's jump to Dale. What is this answer? What is the answer for this? He aha kāu ʻELELO ai. Sorry, Dale.
It's okay. I have to look at ʻŌLELO au he ke kauka.
Yeah,
I became a doctor.
Good job. Okay, so I'm gonna skip the examples because they're kind of, I don't want to say repetitive, but you know, we can all do that on our own with our own slides. But I want you guys to write in the one that you have. So what you became. ʻŌLELO au he, for me, ʻŌLELO au he kumu, ʻŌLELO au he puʻukani, ʻŌLELO au he, not a mea kuke, which I wanted to be, but you know, that kind of stuff. So answering with your current occupation, type out that answer. ʻŌLELO au he blank. And if you don't know it in Hawaiian, it's fine. Just write it in English. Good. This is bright. You can put he kumu himeni. That works. Yeah. Kumu yoga teacher. Kumu yoga is fine, Selena. Kumu yoga. Yeah. Yeah. Hoa kuka lehua. Thank you. Malamahale. Yep. Human resource specialist. Yeah. Communication director. Yeah. I don't know. But we'll look it up. We'll figure it out together. RN. Yeah. Nurse. What was nurse? Kahumai. Okay, so Deborah, Kahumai. Budget manager. Oh, you guys got cool jobs. Front desk receptionist. Reservations, helicopter. Historian, yeah. Cool. Thank you to the kākou who's actively looking up some of the occupations that we cannot, you know, that are in English. Okay, I'm gonna ask the question then now to Stephanie. He aha kāu ʻELELO ai. You want to read your answer?
ʻŌLELO au e receptionist.
Okay, mahalo. And can you ask the question to Alihilani?
Aloha Elilani. E ʻAʻA kāu ʻELELO ai.
ʻŌLELO au he receptionist as well.
Oh yeah, you guys are both. Okay, let's go to Anela Lani. Can you ask her?
Anela Lani, he aha kāu ʻELELO ai.
ʻŌLELO au he budget manager.
Okay, Makai, and can you ask everyone?
Okay, everyone. He aha kāu ʻELELO ai.
ʻŌLELO
au he inventory manager.
Reservations, helicopter.
Naka kumu mai.
Okay, good. I know you guys may be confused because there's a lot going on, but it's okay. We're good. We get them going. We're good. See what happens when I take vacation? I'm like all discombobulated now. All right, so let's go to this next part. Right here. So this next one is a different sentence structure, but it's actually very important too, because we're going to be focusing on this later on in our classes. But it's called the pepeke aikehe, And this is pretty much just saying, you know how this one said, I became something? This is pretty much saying, I am that thing. I am that occupation. Okay, and that's how you can say, he blank ʻAʻa. The blank that's where the occupation goes in. Okay, so exactly how we say he Hawaii'o, I am Hawaiian. That's kind of like what we're doing in this sentence. Or like he Pākēʻau, I am Chinese, or all that stuff. But instead of saying the race or your nationality, you're gonna put in your occupation. Okay, so that's easy because you guys already figured out your occupation, and if it's in English, it's fine. So can you guys do that for me? Maybe just type out your own. You're gonna put he, your occupation, and then ʻAʻa. Okay, he occupation ʻAʻa. So for me again, he kumu ʻAʻa, he puʻukani ʻAʻa. Easy. Don't overthink it. It's not that hard. It's actually very easy. He web geek ʻAʻa. Yeah. Viliki, yes, viliki. That's a good word. Engineer. Yeah. Omana, travel agent. Kula kamali'i. Good. Okay, let me call on some people. Ethan, he aha, you want to say your answer? He aha kāu hana. What are you?
He viliki ʻAʻa.
Okay, and let's go to Berta Lee. Can you ask Berta Lee?
Who am I asking, sorry?
Berta.
Berta, he aha kāu hana.
Inventory manager ʻAʻa.
Okay, and let's jump to Dina. Can you ask Dina?
Dina, he aha kāu hana.
He kumu kula kamali'i ʻAʻa.
Can you ask Lori Lyon?
I'm sorry, Lorelai.
Lori, yeah.
He aha kāu hana.
He self-employed ʻAʻa.
Yeah, good. And then if you can ask everyone?
Everyone, he aha kāu hana.
Inventory
manager ʻAʻa.
Good. Okay, good. And then, yeah, I think those were good so far. So again, I know how some of you have it in English and you don't know how to translate it. Don't worry. Don't think that's wrong. If you say it in English, it's not wrong. If you still have the sentence structure, Makololo Hawaii, and you have your occupation in English, that's still Maikai. You're still trying to ʻAʻa through what you do. But yeah, if hopefully we can help you figure out your occupation later on. There's just a lot that we're like, oh shoot, there's so much going on. So yeah. Alrighty, here is our next part. Oh, this was a lot. Why did it put so much into one lesson? Oh, sorry. Those are inner thoughts, Kumu. Okay, here we go. So our next and last one is going to be Hana au ma, I work at. Easy. It's because it's kind of like the ʻAʻa sentence. Aya au ma, yeah? How we had I am at. With this one, Hana au ma, I work at. So if we come to this part, we're going to say, Ma hea ʻoi e hana ai, where do you work? Hana au ma blank. So for me, it was Hana au ma koʻu hale ma ka'u lolowila. I work at home on the computer. Okay, but this one can be your actual work, your actual job, like your actual company that you work for. I work at Apple. I work at Disney. I work at McDonald's. I work at Kahanuola. Okay, so if you guys can put your answer for that one for me. Ma hea ʻoi e hana ai. Yeah, and ka'u hale again, if you guys are working from home, or sorry, ko'u hale would be I'm working from home. Yeah, or I'm working at my house. Good. Who is working from home? Out of curiosity. Yeah, many of us. Yeah. Good. Yeah, easy. Yeah, not too hard. Oh yeah, retired life, Deborah. Love. Lori Emiola Group. Oh, cool. Yep, Bishop Museum, Jamie. Or sorry, museum. Yeah. Cool. Yes, Lena ala. Okay, so Lena ala. Ma hea ʻoe e hana ai.
Hanao ma ke ena helikopa ma lihu e.
Okay, and then
I work.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, yeah. Can you tell us what that is?
Oh, okay. I work at a helicopter office in Lihue.
Yeah. So if anyone's on Kauai and want to go on a helicopter tour, Lena ala can give it to you for $5. Yeah.
That is not true, but don't I wish?
That's what you said. Okay. All right. Can you ask Catherine Upton?
Aloha, Catherine. Ma hea ʻoe e hana ai?
Hana au ma halekula. Would I say halekula or wailua?
Yep. Cool. School. Yeah, you can say kula by itself too, but yeah, halekula works. Okay. Okay. Then can you ask Carly?
Carly, ma hea ʻoe e hana ai?
Hana au ma kahale o ʻOhana Gajar.
Okay, cool. And can you ask Lehua Ka'opio, love?
Lehua, ma hea ʻoe e hana ai.
Hana au ma ke kula nui o Maui. I work at the University of Maui. Basically.
Cool. And can you ask everyone?
Okay. Ya kākou pau ma hea ʻoe or ma hea ʻōko e hana ai.
Hana au
Okay, cool. All right, so those are our sentences that we have. I know we skipped over a lot, like the examples and all that stuff, but you guys can go back on your own in the Google Classroom and fill that out. Also, even over here, we have some of these things that, you may work at a hospital, or you may work on an airplane, or at a store. And these are some of the things that you guys can throw into your introduction, or, the answer. So like, Hana'au ma kapanako, I work at the bank. Okay, if you want to add more detail or more information, you can do that. All right, okay. We're gonna move on to our breakout rooms. Erika, you're so good, thank you. So she just sent you guys the script, and when you guys get into your breakout rooms, I want you guys to choose the different occupations and just make up sentences with your group. It doesn't have to be right. It doesn't have to be what you want to do, but just try and make up sentences like make makeau ʻELELO I pukani, or ʻELELO ana au I mekanika. Okay, so try and do that. And yeah, just again, the breakout rooms are more for you guys to converse, meet new people, talk, go over examples and all that good stuff. Okay, if you guys
I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Hey, do you know when your mom is doing the next food thing at Papa Kalea?
Oh,
My mom is wondering.
Yeah, I think it's next week, so I can give you. Yeah, I'll let you know. I'll tell Paki to text your mom.
Yeah, cause she's like wondering.
yeah, I think it's next week. So.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, have her text my mom.
Okay, thank you. Will. All right, so yeah, if you guys gotta go, you guys can head out. But if you guys can stay for Erika and Jason in the same room, nah, that's fine. Okay, so yeah, I'll open up the rooms and you guys can do that. Just wala'au, create sentences, and yeah. Erika, go. Erika, go. Karen's by herself. Erika, go. Mary, go.
Did you get the
script?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My brain not working.
Then I'll ask, hey Barbara, ʻŌLELO ʻAʻA he ʻOihana. So what did you become? You can make some. I became an astronaut.
ʻŌLELO ʻAʻA he polopeka.
What do you teach, Barbara?
Actually, I don't. I'm in a research center.
Oh, okay.
But right now I'm teaching infancy and early child development. So basically when I do teach, it would be like child development or research methods.
Oh, wow. Cool. And you're at UH?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
All the time. All the time.
I know, literally, until 8 o'clock at night.
Oh, God. Oh, no. 10, 11, 12.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, mahalo. Thank you. I was like, oh, yeah, because I saw you wrote UH in the comments. So I was like, yeah. Okay, who can you ask?
Oh, let's see. Has anyone not had a chance yet?
Erika.
Jason, we haven't had a chance. Hey, Jason.
Wow, that's a lot. Yeah. Let's see.
Where does she? Where would she work? So it's like, where do you? That's what we're talking about. Okay. Kalamai.
Then who are you? Teach Aloha Hawaii.
Well, ho Maui ko ʻŌLELO ana ma ke kula nui.
Oh my God.
Ho ana ai.
MCC ke manawa.
Wa hele au ke kula kai ulu o Kapiolani mahapi ho hele au I ke kula nui o Hawaii mamanoa mai Maui.
Oh, mama. Okay, okay. Oh, yeah. Good.
Yeah, be out, oi.
Yeah, okay. No, yeah. So if you guys get questions, you can ask Lehu. And Carrie, get them too.
No, she understood me when I just threw something out. She's like, "Oh yeah." I'm like, oh, "Okay." It didn't even click in my head. She understood me.
Yeah. Context clues, yeah. Yeah. I'll be right.
Yeah. Oh no. What's up, Coombs?
$5, yeah. Helicopter.
It's not. Don't I wish. Actually, no, I don't, because then I'd be really, really busy.
Yeah.
But Kumu,
yes.
I could also hook you up to free dental implants. If you're in California, it's like
yeah, I'll be there. Free? Are you free? Okay.
Yeah, actually, believe it or not, free. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll take it. I want a new grill. Yeah.
It's just a cap, so.
I'm going to California just to do that. Okay, where are you guys at?
We are asking each other questions.
Oh yeah, you got Nala. Okay, bye.
Oh, that helped not at all.
Become a doctor.
Yes.
Aloha.
Aloha. People, but that's okay. You guys can just cocoa and talk and chat. Yep. So, okay, where are you guys at?
Just saying sentences and try to translate.
Okay. Yes, definitely. I know this is a lot. This is a lot of different structures that I think you missed some of them, but it's okay. Dale, you get them, yeah? Thanks, Dale.
I tried to watch all your different courses on.
Yeah.
I tried, but there is a lot, so
there's
each
a
day,
lot.
one, there's one, yeah.
So the red ones are good to follow because those are the ones of this class.
the beginner.
The beginner class, yeah.
Yeah, I saw that.
There's a lot, yeah, shoot. Okay, yeah, you guys can keep going. Maybe a couple more minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
O with the long line over the O, and then O. Oh, Okina
Yeah,
O.
with kākou.
Kumu, what is swim teacher? Is it Kumu ʻAʻa?
Yeah, or you know what? I would do ala ka'i, or like a coach would be more like a ka'i. So ka'i ʻAʻa, like coach, yeah. Yeah, is that for?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so ala ka'i ʻAʻa. Yeah,
Ala ka'i ʻAʻa.
Yeah.
And we found in Behe that to teach how to swim, you would use ho'au.
Oh, okay. So ala ka'i, you know what? Then that's good. Ala ka'i ho'au.
Ala ka'i ho'au.
Yeah.
Okay. Ala ka'i.
What kind of engineer are you, Ethan?
I studied civil engineering, but that's not what I do anymore. So
Yeah. Oh, cool. Awesome.
now I actually work in agriculture, so it's totally different.
Yeah.
So you're like a mahiai.
Yeah.
Sort of, yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. But more, I mean, engineering.
Yeah, technology.
Software engineering. Oh, cool.
Yeah. So. Yeah.
And Keho, what do you do?
The realtor.
Oh, yes. Did we find it?
I mean, not really, because the other, and I emailed you private or messaged you privately, but the other one that said for real estate business is ʻOihana kuʻaiʻaina.
Oh, okay. That actually might
That's
be.
actually like the business. I mean, and that's what I do. I mean, right, the business of real estate. So I don't know if it would be like. I mean, yeah, I guess.
Because kuʻaiʻaina might work. Because so mea or kanaka kuʻaiʻaina, a person that buys land.
Kuʻaiʻaina.
Yeah.
So I'm not always the one that buys it. I'm the one that helps them facilitate the buying or the selling.
Okay. Yeah, I think the whole thing is that would still work. Yeah. Because kuʻai means to buy, sell, but just the whole transaction too can work. So kuʻai, and you said you're helping out with that. Yeah.
Okay, so if I am explaining that, then my title would be Kanaka kuʻaiʻaina, right?
Yeah. So how would you would say, he kanaka kuʻaiʻaina au. I am a blah. I am a real estate. A realtor. And then Ethan, he viliki au. And then Pamela, he alaka'i au or ho'au au. Yeah?
Yeah.
No, you guys are throwing me for loops, because some of these things I don't even know in Hawaiian. Shoot. Yeah, good though. Challenge.
There's always new words that come up, right? Like
yeah.
Like how we say quarantine.
Yeah. And even like pandemic, they had to write a new word for a pandemic. So
what is the word for pandemic?
It's ma'i ahulau. So like widespread disease. That's what they called it, yeah. Ma'i ahulau. AHU. Yeah.
Ma'i ahulau.
Yeah. Okay. Couple more minutes, maybe 2 more, and then I'll bring everyone back.
All right, mahalo.
Mahalo, Kumu.
Yeah.
B? Yeah. So, Selena, he aha kāu ʻELELO ai. Hello.
Hi, Kumu.
Hi.
I will become ʻELELO ana au I ke kanaka pa ʻoihana.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's like I want to be an entrepreneur, but is that okay to say businessman for entrepreneur?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is And if you even if you want to put vahine pa ʻoihana, like a businesswoman, that's totally fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so you put vahine where? Where?
Before the pa ʻoihana. So ʻELELO ana au I vahine pa ʻoihana.
Okay.
Cool.
Did you write it? Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Carter. Thanks, Carter. Okay. 1 more minute.
Okay, see you in 5 seconds.
Thank you.
Oh.
The last one?
Hana au ma, and that one would be
Yes, you can.
Thanks, Carly.
You're welcome.
Thank you, room 3.
Very good.
Say thank you, Leonardo.
Thanks, Tobias and Alihilani. Y'all are great.
Okay. Good, everyone. All right. So I think you guys made the best out of everything that we learned. I know we got a lot done, but it was good because we had pretty much someone from the A class in each group. So that's good. Except for Dale and Stephanie, sorry. But you guys got them. They'll get them, yeah. Okay, so wrap up. Good job, another good class. I think Erika, can you send one more time, please? Thank you. So over here, come down. Okay. So we have a flip grid. I think it's in the chat that Erika just sent. You guys can use that to help you practice your sentences that you created about your ʻoihana. Okay, and then next class will be not April 8th. What's going on tonight? April 15th. Okay. So the link is in the chat too. So you can send that one. Okay, fine. Carly, I'll play it then. What did I do? Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Aloha and welcome to E Ho'opiri News. O keia o Kahanuola Solatorio. Make au ʻELELO I kauka. I want to become a doctor. ʻELELO ana au I puʻukani. I will become a musician. ʻōlelo au he kanaka ki nā iahi. I became a firefighter. He mahea ia me wawaiʻa. I am a farmer and a fisherman. Ana au ma ke kahua pa'ani o Aloha. I work at Aloha Stadium. Mahalo nui for joining us here in E Ho'opiri News. And mahalo and have a good evening. Aloha.
The best.
The best. The GOAT.
Good.
Okay, so yeah, sign up for the next class, April 15th. And then I wanted to let you guys know that we are going to be starting, or I had an idea of starting a Hawaiian book club. So if any of you are interested in joining that, we're still in the planning stage. I'm still in the planning stages. Kapo is helping me out, figure that out. But yeah, I think you guys are the first ones to know, but I'll probably be posting it on the Google Classroom and Instagram later on. But yeah, who would be interested in joining a Hawaiian book club? Okay, a few of us. And it's, it's not only ʻŌLELO Hawaii books, it's going to be like ʻŌLELO Hawaii books or Hawaiian culture books. So the first one is going to be this Nanaiki Kumu, the third one. But I guess the object is for you to buy the book on your own. We're not giving free books. Don't think it's free books. You just got to buy the book, get it, and then read it, and then we're just going to talk about it. So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully I can plan that soon.
Kumu, is the book in ʻŌLELO Hawaiian?
It's not. It's this one in particular is in English about Hawaiian themes like ho'oponopono, health, wellness, all that stuff. Yeah.
Yes, I would love to do that.
Yeah, right? Oh, yeah.
Hawaiian or English?
What is that, Barbara?
The discussion in English or Hawaiian?
Ooh, the discussion is going to be in English, but yeah, we're going to be...
That makes it much more
yeah.
feasible.
Easier, yeah. But yeah, if you're interested, I'll send out the information probably tomorrow on Google Classroom and email and stuff. Cool. Yeah, nane ke kumu. Exactly. Yeah, Tobias. Are they on Audible? I don't know. I'm not too sure. Maybe. But this is actually really brand new. It's like came out at the end of last year. So yeah. Cool. You guys are very interested. Okay, we can do that. We can do that. Let's do it. Okay, so yeah, I think we're done. If you have questions, stay behind. If you don't, papa. Thank you.
Kumu, how are you going to have us sign up for the book club?
Sorry, one more time.
How are you going to have us sign up for the book club?
Okay, so it's going to be kind of like how we did the how we sign up for each class, but each month is going to be a different book, and then pretty much all it is you're going to say, you type your name and your email, and then all I got to do is send you that link for when we meet, but you got to figure out how to get the book on your own. Yeah, does that make sense? I'm going to try and call Namea and see if they can give us a discount, because I used to work there, so we'll see. Yeah.
Last time they posted, they said they only had 35 copies.
Oh my God.
Yeah, might need to check.
Yeah, I'll go check with them. But yeah, we'll see that. If I think, I mean, it's just a cool idea. Even if you don't have the book, it'll be good to just come into the discussion. Yeah. I don't even read. That's the thing. And I was like, why am I starting a book club when I don't even read? But I guess it's going to challenge me to read. I can read. Don't think I can't. It's just I don't do it for pleasure, you know. Okay. Yeah, I think we're good then. I take long to read. Can't math, though. Carly, I can do math. Rika?
Are you sure?
Yes. Mai minus Carly equals yay.
Go ahead. Try to say some math equation.
Yeah, Mai minus Carly equals yay. Okay. Yeah, I don't see any other questions, but if you guys do, just email me and then I'll see you guys next class. Thank you.
Oh, Kumu, I had a question.
Yeah, Berta.
Of course, me. On these, on the Ho'opili My cards, I had a question about, is this Aloha Avakea or Aloha Awakea?
I normally would say Avakea.
Okay,
yeah.
That's what I thought, but I wasn't sure, and I asked somebody else, and they're like, well, you can say whatever you want.
Yeah. No, yeah, Avakea works. Awakea I never heard, but
okay.
Yeah, it's a good question to have. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah. No, oh, good. You bought they're pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. Good day to day.
I like these ones too. The ʻŌLELO no ʻAʻA ones.
Yeah, they're very
yeah.
relative. I know every time I pick one, it's like, oh, I needed to hear that today. You know.
Yep.
So good.
I like them.
Thank you. Okay, I'll see everyone later. Thank you. Mahalo, everyone. Minus Carly equals Kumu has no bestie. True.
Merci, au revoir. Mahalo.
Au revoir. Bonjour.
Mahalo, ahuyo.
Hoiho.
Good night.
Saludos, Pamela.
Saludos.
Anokoa.
Bye. Gracias a todos.
What? We need to learn Spanish. Come on, teacher.
Te quieres bien, abrazos.
Abrazos.
Como
la flor.
No, Salina se fue.
Bidi bidi bamba.
Kawai, Kumu, he ni nau ka'u.
Ew.
Mama ke wau hele I loko I kia papa no ka ho'o I kai ka ana I ko'u ʻŌLELO.
Hi.
No ka ho'o mau ana I ko'u laipua.
Yeah.
Yeah, ai, so I ke ala o lilo I Kumu.
Yeah.
Akana mamaina I ko'u hanani ka ho'ike, aliki ke like mopopo ka kākou helu.
Yeah.
So no like mamaki wau e hana I kekahi mea na ka hoʻi kai ka ana. A kāna e alima popo I koʻu like ma hea au e hoʻomaka.
Yeah. So aia oi maka Google Classroom or ko ino oi makila Google Classroom.
Ua kiko au maloko ke la a kāna e aia kekahi mea is like ale haumana oi. It's like okay.
Okay. You know what? It might be a new I gotta send you a new link. But yeah, that'll be good for you to like it's a good like starter, review everything. Because we can ʻŌLELO, yeah, but just to have the structure ʻPaʻa, that's always good, yeah. So yeah, please use that and please use our videos. But yeah, I thought you were new and I was like, I've seen that background before. I've seen your background, so I was like, is she new? I don't know. But yeah, this is a good class for the beginners, and we're gonna actually start another beginner class.
We had the same Hawaiian 1 class at Kamehameha.
Are you a 2011 grand? Oh, yeah. That you look.
Ali and I are like friends.
Oh, that's fun. I was like, hello.
Yeah, she came in and I was like, wait.
Yeah.
We took ʻŌLELO already.
Yeah.
Right? And I was like, am I thinking of another class? No. Okay.
Did you go by Lehua in school or? Okay, yeah.
I have a government name, but I don't like her.
I don't like her. I don't like my government name either. Yeah. But yeah, okay, yeah. If you have any questions, let me know, and then I'll send you the new link for the Google Classroom. I guess I don't know why it's not working, but yeah.
It might be because it's my college email, but I also work at college.
If you have another email, it doesn't work with college or EDUs. It has to be a Gmail or others. Yeah. Yeah, try it. And if it doesn't work, then we continue and figure it out.
No. Okay. I'll let you guys go. Mahalo.
And nice to see you. Aloha.
Aloha po malie.
No.
You're still recording.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh